Hi everyone. In my last tutorial, I showed you how to put things on your calendar. Very easy to do. But let's say you put something on the calendar and you realize you need to reschedule it. How do you do that? So in my last tutorial, I put in this 3-hour meeting here for Wednesday on the 2nd. But let's say we need to move this to Friday. Well, all I have to do is click on this, hold, and now I can drag it to another date. That's all you do. You just simply click, drag, and move it around. Very easy to do. That's how you change something on your calendar. But let's say that it's for a day that is not within the view. Let's say instead of this week, which is March 2022, let's say we want to schedule it for the 23rd. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this meeting and I'm going to drag it. And I want you to observe over here on the left-hand side, we have a calendar. We have two. We have February, the current month, and we have March, the coming month. If I want to put it on the 23rd, I'm going to drag it over and drop it on the 23rd of March. And now I've moved it to the 23rd of March. If you look up top, this calendar is moved. One thing I want you to notice about this area over here, and it's very subtle, but the 23rd is bold. All the other items are not bold. Therefore, that tells me there's something on the 23rd. If I want to see the 23rd, I can just click on it, and it takes me to the 23rd. Very easy to move things around. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.